Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Hub. Okay, today we are going to start with letter U. U is for U is for a. The story of letter U is Ahmed and Umar are watching cricket match in a stadium. It starts to rain. They open their umbrella. The batsman hits the ball up in the air. Umpire says it is a sixer and team wins the match. You a umbrella. You a umbrella. You a umbrella. You a umbrella. Our next letter is V. V is for V. V is for V. V is for V. The story of letter V is Ali goes to the market to buy vegetables. He sees a puppy crying with pain. He puts the puppy in a van and takes it to a vet. The vet tells Ali that puppy got hurt by a broken vase. We were vase. We were vase. We were vase. Our next letter is W. W is for V. W is for V. The story of letter W is Walid buys wicket from the market. Walid's bicycle slips off the watermelon and hits the wall. Walid gets hurt and the wheel of the bicycle comes out. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Our next letter is X. X is for X. Our next letter is X. X is for X. X is for X. X is for X. X, X, X-ray. X, X, X-ray. X, X, X-ray. Our next letter is Y. Y is for Y. Y is for Y. The story of letter Y is Ahmed is eating an egg yolk, jam and yogurt in a restaurant. He sees a guest from the window. Y yeah yo-yo. Y yeah yo-yo. Y yeah yo-yo. Our next letter is Z. Z is for Z. Z is for Z. Z is for Z. The story of letter Z is in a safari zoo, there were 5 monkeys, 4 elephants, 3 rabbits, 2 giraffes, and 1 zebra. One day, zebra got ill and died. Now there is 0 zebra in the zoo. All the animals were very sad and missed their friend zebra. Z, z, zip. Z, z, zip. Z, z, zip.